Man, it's just one of them things where you just take like 10 seconds just to look at the product that you have made, just to look at the dream that you once had that then became true. A minute just to look at believing yourself and never give up, man. So as you see, we at the meat spot, man. Got Queen right there. Y'all see it though. Y'all see it. Yes, sir, y'all see it. Follow that down. Feel me? Yes, sir. A few over here. You know what I'm saying? With that shaker. Yes, sir. Y'all see though, got Big Golly right there. Got that nice 392 right there though. That good old SXT. Of course though, you got that red hot chili peppers though. Coolin'. Yes sir. That thing in for you. Yes sir, got Millie Wop right there. Millie Wop Wop. Feel me? Yes sir, so as y'all see, man, Bud City in the building, baby. Bud City, we in the building, baby. You heard me? Oh God. Oh God. Yo, shout out to my boy Rubik's, man. Y'all see him, man, getting that wash. He getting that wash from Destinations Detail. Rubik's. There he is. Ah. What's happening, folks? Good with you, bro. I can't call it. Man, yeah. Another day, that's all I can say. Yes, sir. I got you on there. I got you on film over there getting washed. Yeah. I thought you coming in. Y'all make sure, man, follow on IG. Follow on IG. Y'all see it, Warrior Scat 392. Yes, sir. Got Gap Queen and Maleto over there. Yeah. 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 Y'all already know who it is right there. Y'all see it, y'all already know. Yes, sir.
Hey man, you know what time it is. This your boy Big Guy League, man. Make sure you follow me on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
BIGGUY space LIK on YouTube. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's Dylan.Wavy. And looking for more content, man. Check me out on YouTube, man. We outside.
Y'all see it right there. Y'all see it right there. Make sure y'all get on IG. Make sure y'all get it on I to the jizzle. Yes, sir. Let me hit that light right quick.
Yes, sir. It's your boy Rubik_3, man. Yo, go ahead. We're going on all 2021, 22, and all that, man. Bro, my guy, get you Chevy Camaro up, man. Get to up to all subscribers, man. Let's get them up, man, for real.
Yes, sir. Man, it's just one of them things where you just take like 10 seconds just to look at the product that you have made, just to look at the dream that you once had that then became true. A minute just to look at believing yourself and never give up, man. I am that true definition of that, man. Those that know me know what I'm talking about, and if you don't, man, I have been trying to get a 2SS since Transformers, the first one. Yeah, look that up when it first came out. Google it, Siri it, however you want to do it, and y'all understand my understanding of a truly blessing, man. Like, wow. And on top of that, to have, you know what I'm saying, the mirror tint, the 22s, lights under the bottom that I could change colors, what I always wanted, along with my dream car, man. It's like Jagged Edge say, a reality, baby. You know what I'm saying? So, man, shout out to the people that have made my car what it is today, man. Shout out to my mirror tint, sun blockers, down there on 74, almost near Indian Trail in Charlotte. For those that don't know, man, Charlotte, North Carolina, Indian Trail. It's like the end of Charlotte right there, you feel me? Shout out to graphics design right here in Statesville, man, for the JP Chevy logo and stuff, man, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to, what was that? God, dog, it was a car show I had went to, and they made that, man, way before this car, man, way before my Impala, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to them for the Coupe Life logo, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to R&R Tires Express in Charlotte, South Boulevard, man, for the rims, man. We're trying to work out something, man. I got to get back with them. They need to get back with me because I need a new tire over there on that driver's side front. Yes, sir. Yeah, trying to get with them for some sponsorship, man, because yo, y'all would not believe on how many people ask me about these rims, yo. You know what I'm saying? And I don't blame them, yo. I understand. I see why. I mean, I would ask too, because God dog, they look good on that red, man. Shout out to Tim Marburger, man, my number one dealership, yo. Can't take that away from them, man. My number one dealership when I started this YouTube thing and I had my mind in and set on which way I wanted to go. They helped me out. I went to them because I'm like, yo, that's hometown, that's where I'm from. Kannapolis, you know what I'm saying? Tim Marburger in Kannapolis, North Carolina, that is. That's hometown, that's where I'm from, and I want to start out with them, and they made it happen, man, you know what I'm saying? And been rocking with them ever since. I gotta go up over there, man, and see what they got new for me, you know what I'm saying? Need to get it where they can, you know, hit me up and be like, hey, man, come here, man, we got this new here, man, you know what I'm saying? But, so if y'all happen to go to that lot, man, be sure to tell them that JP Chevy sent you, man. You seen the car off my channel, and you know you were interested in, and you know want to know what little, you know, little discount type deal you could get from knowing, you know, JP Chevy and stuff, man. They gonna look out for you, man. They gonna look out for you, guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to them for making the whole dream happen, yo. You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know, man, and this is y'all first time coming on from off this good old car show that I'm going to, this here is my dream car, man. It's not exactly the 2020, which this is a 2020, but my dream car was a 2SS, period. Heads up display and all that. But I just happened to get a 2020, which the pandemic hit in 2020, and I had said in 2020 I was gonna get me one, you know what I'm saying? But a year later, a year after, you know what I'm saying, 2021, I was blessed with a 2020. Y'all follow what I'm saying? Or do y'all follow what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? So that let me know that what I manifested was actually true. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, if this is y'all first time coming on, man, this is JP Chevy, man. You know what I'm saying? And this is right here is my red hot chili peppers, aka Mero, aka 2SS Camaro. You know what I'm saying? All I got is a muffler delete, 22s, AZRs, you know what I'm saying, on the feet, mirror tint, cold air, K&N air intake. Need to get with them, see if I can get some sponsorship on that, you know what I'm saying? Logos, of course, and the mirror tint, like I just said. And, oh yeah, and my lights, man. Shout out to Premier Audio Sounds in Concord. Shout out to him for installing it for me, man. We got some more things I gotta get my beat going. He said he's gonna get that for me. And want to put some lights up in front of the grill. You know what I'm saying? Whew. Okay, now, with all that being said, man, Well, this hot thing gonna get on the road, but let's go ahead and get that monumental. It ain't gonna be a cold start because I had to, you know what I'm saying, start it up, move it, you know what I'm saying, wax it up a little bit. I see some spots that I need to gonna re-wipe, man. I don't know if y'all can see. It's so clean. Y'all probably, wait a minute, it look like y'all can see it though. Let me see, hold on, let's zoom in, let me see something. Let's zoom in there, boom. You can see it a little bit that I need the hot thing gonna wipe down, but right now I ain't worried about that. We got to get on the road, we got to get on the gizzo, you feel me? So, like I say, Mero, get them red hot. Chili peppers. God damn. Sheesh. Sheesh. Okay then. Yes, sir. So as you see, we at the meat spot, man. Got Queen right there. Y'all see it though. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. You hear me? Follow that down. You feel me? Yes, sir. RT. Got nephew over here. You know what I'm saying? With that shaker. Yes, sir. Y'all see though, we got Big Golly right there. Got that nice 392 right there though. That good old SXT. Got Millie somewhere. I just seen him. He must be on the other side though. He got to be on the other side. You know what I'm saying? And of course though, he got that red hot chili peppers though. Cool, man. Yes, sir. Hey man, look here, man. I'm going to tell y'all, be sure to, you know what I'm saying, like and subscribe though. You know what I'm saying? Be sure to do that. They go Millie Wop over there. Let me see if I can gonna zoom that thing in though. You hear me? See if I can zoom that thing in for you. So I got Millie Wop right there. Millie Wop. Feel me? Of course, man, y'all, we done been to this spot before though. Where we about to go, man. It's where I linked up with Jocelyn Wren at. But stay tuned though. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. So as y'all see, man, Bud City in the building, baby. Bud City, we in the building, baby. You heard me? Oh God, we out here cutting up for them for the one time, man. Here at the Hogs meet, or meet the Hogs, shall I say? Man, put this with some music though, man. Put this with some music. You know what I'm saying? Hey, like I say, man, little cousin right there, Big Golly. Yes, sir. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to his channel though. You hear me? But yo, let's get that music going. You feel me? Oh wow. Yo, shout out to my boy Rubik's, man. Y'all see him, man. He getting that wash. We're getting that wash from Destinations Detail. You know what I'm saying? That's my dog right there, man. That's my dog right there. Shout out to him, getting that wash, getting it cleaned up. Yeah. Oh, God. Y'all already know right there. Millie Wop, Wop, Wop. To the Millie Wop, Wop, to the Wop. You feel me? Like this right here, man. Hey, look here. Y'all make sure, man. Got the red eyes on that thing right there. Y'all make sure, man, follow on IG. Follow on IG. Y'all see it, Warrior Scat 392. Yes, sir. Hey, yeah. Case. Got the eyes lighting up over here, man. Got the eyes going over here, man. You feel me? Got the food truck, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's supposed to be like music and food truck type. Like I said, I'm putting some, putting a little bit of music to it. You know what I'm saying? That thing all the way live though. Hold up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On the boom. Got two over there. Y'all see it though. Got the thing, got the thing.
I told her when you pulled up, I was like, okay. I was like, never get that very end. I was like,
Not the Michael Myers.
Michael Myers.
Not the 2K. Rubik's. Hey, here. Huh? What's happening, folks?
go with you, bro.
I can't call it.
Man, yeah.
Another day. That's all I can say.
For real. For real.
Yes, sir. I got you on there. I got you on film over there getting washed.
Oh, word. Appreciate it. I got you coming in.
I appreciate it. I had to blow the horn, man. I had to. I was like, dang, I thought about it afterwards. Dang, I should have blown the horn.
You good. You good. You good.
Okay.
Yeah, you good.
Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff.
I can make anything happen with it.
Right. Hey, I already know. All right, you do now.
Great.
Got Gap Queen and Maleto over there. Yeah. I ain't y'all already know who it is right there. Y'all see it, y'all already know. Yes, sir.
Hey man, you know what time it is. This your boy Big Guy League, man. Make sure you follow me on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
BIGGUY space LIK on YouTube. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's Dylan.Wavy. And looking for more content, man. Check me out on YouTube, man. We outside.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it right there. Y'all see it right there. Make sure y'all get on IG. Y'all see it right there too. Make sure y'all get it on I to the jizzle. Yes, sir. Y'all see it right there, Blue Jay. Yes, sir. With that purple thing up under, that's unique though. That purple and blue. Yeah, I like that. Are you alright? You alright? Yo, it's about driver wait time, you know what I'm saying? So they probably gonna really tight, cut up tight. Well, I like, but that color right there, special right there. That's something special right there. Y'all see him right here though. It's the 6'4", man. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy. He be out here grinding hard. You heard me? Got the. Yes, sir. I see you though. Got the lane hauls going on. You know what I'm saying? Got some copyright going on. Hold up. Status. Meanest and fastest goddamn on Stingray Stinger ever. Yes, sir. Rubik's.
Yeah, man.
Shout him out, Ruben. Shout him out. Why you right there?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, wait a minute. Let me hit that light right quick.
Good, yes, sir. It's your boy Ruben_3, man. Yo, go ahead. We're going on all 2021, 22, and all that, man. Bro, my guy JC Chevy, turn him up, man. Here's to all subscribers, man. Let's get them up, man, for real.
Yes, sir. here on my channel before. But I saw. Hey, look, man. Let me turn that thing around. Oh, hey, man, say, man. Squad, y'all already know, man. Look here. Got the barrel in the back. Yes, sir, that's a fact. Hey, be sure to subscribe, man. Like, comment, all that good stuff, man. We still got to rolling in, though. You heard me? They still rolling in, though. You feel me? Oh, yeah. Let's go. Hey, yo, man. Hey, man. Look here. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, man. Subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? My YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel. JP Chevy is the name. JP Chevy is the name. Y'all see it back there? Yes, sir. I got a supercar, man. I got a supercar, man.